Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about the panel Bosch 6000. This is the PCB of the Bosch 6000, and as you know, this panel can goes to I think up to 160 something like that. User codes, and then zones should be 100 something like that. But here, just we have 8 zones, and we can do doubling to 16, and we have uh, relays 1 2 3 4, and one here 5, so we have 5 onboard relays, but obviously we can add expansion. Okay, this is for the AC battery. All the positive and negative from detectors and all devices can goes here, so no problem for that. We have plenty of ports here. This is for the keypad or any device that we need to communicate with it, so we can use this one. And this is relay and relay. Obviously we use this one. This is the positive, and these are the negative or the common of the relays, the devices. So number 1 is for external, 2 is 4 is for internal, 1 external, 2 is for the strobe, and 3 for the smoke, if I'm not mistaken. This is the other relay. You can use it. It depends on your usage. Here is in. It means input. One use of this one is let's say we have receiver. So the receiver, we use 3 wires for the receiver. One goes here for the communication, and black and red. Black here and red here. And this is for zones, and easy to explain. You know that, so we don't explain, you know how to do that. And this is for the communication. This is for the communication. This form of communication is obsolete. This one is now, we can use this one for the communication. It goes to the telephone line, or goes to 3G modules. This one, if this is this termination, if you don't have that one, so you can cut the cable. You have the colors for that, 4 wires, so you can use this one instead of this one. So this is the usage of them, but I'm happy with this one. Fast, quick, and reliable. Okay guys, I'm back. Just I wired the keypad. Here you can see LAN positive, LAN negative, so it is positive, negative, LAN A and LAN B. A is yellow, B is green. And exactly, we follow this cable. You can see the wiring for the keypad, positive, negative, A and B, exactly. And you can see it is flashing. The keypad is flashing. It takes time, maybe just a couple of seconds, a minute. We let the keypad to warm up and to function properly. This keypad is the version 322 and Wi-Fi. So this is Wi-Fi keypad. Found keypad 1, and we just wait for the keypad. System trouble. Here's we have system trouble. Communication fail, which is obvious because we have to disable default pin. We have to change the pin. A cabinet tamper because there's nothing here. So and the the temper is here, so we have to disable it. Let's see, so come fail, we have to disable default pin, we have to change date and time, we change cabinet temper, okay, and memory, just we have to reset the memory and open, because all the zones are open, there is no resistor, and the other one is a strobe light, internal sign output problems. So output 1, 2, 3, 4, we have output problems because there's nothing there and the panel finds it as a trouble. So we have to put resistor from 1 to C plus, 2 to C plus, 3 to C plus, 4 to C plus. Okay, just I put the resistors, 4 resistors here from each output to the C plus, the positive. And again, I want to keep zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, and zone 4. But I will disable zone 5, 6, 7, and maybe 8. Okay, here on the keypad we have system trouble. Open zone 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, what is system trouble? Should be date and time. Battery missing, yes. Comp fail. Default pin, date and time, cabinet temper. Okay, let me just fix the battery issue and come back. Okay, the battery. I go to the programming. It is recommended to do the programming the 6000 with the laptop, but I'm happy with the keypad. I like the keypad. 1, 2, 3, 4, the installer code, and then menu. You go to inputs, you go to zone properties, you go to zone type, zone 1. It can be regularly delay. I'm happy with that. Zone 2, I change to you can see the zone types here. Yes, okay. You can do burglary instant. Zone type again. I go to zone 3. Zone 3, burglary instant. Zone 4 can be again burglary instant. And zone 5, I disable zone 5. Not used. Zone 6, I disable. Zone 7, I disable. And zone 8, I disable. To save, you press menu, line press to configure and save the settings. Now just we have system trouble, no zone problems, because we have resistors and we have no, and these 5, 6, 7, 8 are not used, so just we have zone trouble. I go to system, I go to clock, set date and time. So today, let's say it is 11. May 2020, and time, let's say it is 15:10. Okay, so press OK. So system trouble, I go to, so there is no zone trouble, system trouble, default pin trouble, cabinet tamper. Okay, you can see the programming, the inputs, output, comms. You go to the comms, you go to, here's your for your telephone numbers if you have back to base options, and reporting. You can see different type of programming for the reporting. This is for CID when you have back to base on 3G module telephone line. This beep means it doesn't save, and I'm happy with that because I don't want to save it. This is test report time and period. You can do it every day, or let's say at 2 a.m. in the period. You can do every day.